Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today's word is arrest, a B1 level noun that means taking someone into custody by police. It's a word often heard in news reports, movies, and legal discussions, but it's also useful in everyday conversations. To start, let's break it down. Arrest refers to the act of officially taking someone into custody, usually by law enforcement, because they are suspected of breaking the law. For example, the police made an arrest after finding evidence of theft. It's a formal term but easy to understand and use in various situations. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for arrest. Words like apprehension, detention, and capture can convey similar meanings. For instance, you might say, the suspect's apprehension was swift due to the officer's quick response. Another example could be, the detention of the protester caused a stir in the crowd. These words help add variety to your vocabulary while keeping the meaning intact. On the flip side, let's consider some antonyms of arrest. Words like release, freedom, or liberation provide a contrasting meaning. For example, the prisoner's release was celebrated by his family. Or, the country fought for its freedom from colonial rule. These words focus on letting go rather than holding on to someone or something. In everyday life, you might use the word arrest when talking about law enforcement or even figuratively to describe stopping something. For instance, the doctor's quick action helped arrest the spread of the infection. Here, it's used to mean stopping or halting a process, which is a less formal but equally valuable usage. Let me give you some examples of arrest in sentences. The police made an arrest after reviewing the surveillance footage. The officer explained the reasons for the arrest to the suspect. Protesters called for the immediate arrest of those responsible for the crime. Each example shows how the word fits into both formal and conversational contexts. That wraps up today's discussion of arrest. We learned its definition, explored synonyms and antonyms, and saw how it can be used in different contexts. I hope this episode helped you gain a better understanding of this word and how to use it confidently. Before you go, I'd love for you to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and grow their vocabulary too. Don't forget to create your own sentence using arrest and share it as a comment under the episode. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word, and I'll see you next time.